Are you struggling with essay writing? You're not alone. Many students make common mistakes that can hurt their grades. Let's go over some of the top essay writing mistakes to avoid. First, make sure you understand the essay prompt. Not following the prompt can lead to a disorganized and off-topic essay. Take the time to analyze the question and plan your response accordingly. Secondly, avoid using vague language. Be specific and precise in your writing to clearly convey your ideas. Vague statements can make your essay confusing and lack depth. Next, don't forget to proofread your essay. Spelling and grammar errors can distract from your argument and lower your grade. Take the time to edit and revise your work before submitting it. Lastly, make sure you cite your sources correctly. Plagiarism is a serious offense that can result in academic consequences. Always give credit to the original authors and use proper citation formats. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can improve your essay writing skills and achieve better results. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.